I'm Addison Lively. I am a senior at IU and I'm studying geography. Freshman year, I took a course on the Real Food Challenge. From then on until now, I've just been obsessed with food sustainability.
Hi, I'm Addison Lively. I'm currently setting up for Big Red Eats Green starting at 11 o'clock, and I can't wait to share my day with you.
I discovered Sustain IU and that they were hiring for a food working group position. I applied and I got the job, and my first project was organizing Big Red Eats Green.
Big Red Eats Green is a sustainable campus food festival, and you can come on down and listen to some live music and try some sustainable food.
For students at IU who are interested in sustainable food, an event like Big Red Eats Green is perfect for that because it's an opportunity for students to connect with the food vendors who are contracted with IU. It's a huge project. Organizing Big Red Eats Green has really helped me get an understanding of how I can become a leader in a more sustainable food system. I am definitely thankful to have taken the classes that I've taken to understand my field better, and this position, particularly with Sustain IU as their food working group intern, I have learned so much.
All right, so we're wrapping up here at Big Red Eats Green. It's been a huge success, and we hope to see you again next year at Big Red Eats Green 2019. So break has officially ended, and I'm now here at the student building about to go to my last class for the day on biogeography, and I'm just about to take a quiz, so wish me luck.
As a Hoosier, I've learned a lot about where I want to go with my career, and I've learned a lot about myself as well. It's because of the opportunities that I've had here.